Hey everyone, this is Pastor Nick, and this is just a training video showing you how to update your profile in Planning Center Services. So when you first log in, you will see a page that looks a little something like this, and you want to get to your profile. And the way to do that is simply to go up here to the upper right-hand corner where you've got either a picture of you or just your initials. You click on that. It's going to show you that this is your profile. You want to click there, and this takes you to your profile page for Planning Center. Now, one of the things that's really interesting about your profile page is that it gives you a chance to update all of your information. And so an easy way to do that is if you go right over here by your name, there's a little pencil. You can click on that. And it's going to open up a window just like this where you can update all your personal information. You can put in your email addresses, and you can actually create multiple email addresses. So if you have a home email address, work email address, all those can be entered here just simply by adding an email address, designating what it's for, and then putting in the new address. Likewise, if you see an out-of-date email address, you can delete it simply by clicking on this red button to the right, and it'll get rid of that. Same thing with mobile phone numbers or landline numbers. You can add those or get rid of those as needed. You can also add your mailing address, and you can update that as well or verify that everything is correct. And then there's just some personal information down here that you can let us know about, marital status, things like that. And all you have to do here is click save, and that updates all your contact information. That makes it really easy for your team leader to either call you, text you, or email you, especially if there's any changes related to your serving. So you want to make sure that that's up to date. The other thing that we would ask you to do is also to update your picture. Part of the reason why is so that it actually lets your team leader know what you look like, especially if you're new to this and you're just going to start out serving. It's always good to be able to put a name and a face together. And the way that you can update that is simply by going up to the left here where there's going to be this little circle. If there's no photo there, it's just going to be your initials. But if you put your cursor over the circle, click on it, it's going to invite you to choose a file to upload. You can hit choose file. It will open up, different pictures or your photos and things like that. You can find the photo that you want, load it in here. It actually gives you an option to crop it so that it's just your headshot, and then you can hit submit, and that will be your new profile photo. So there you go. That's how to find your profile, how to update your personal information to ensure that we are staying in touch with you. Now, if you're interested in learning how to do other things like sign up for events or put in your preferences, check out the other videos in this playlist, which teach you how to use some of the other features related to this platform.